This is what I'm wearing today. I don't know if you can hear me or see, but the shirt is old from Everlane. I don't know where this blazer's from, but I'll link it down below. These jeans, which have like a slit, are by EB Denim, I think. Boots are Laquese, and my bag, which is like a burgundy color, is by Celine, and jewelry is by Mejuri. Hey guys, how are you doing? I just finished getting ready. I did want to kind of rant a little bit. I don't know, just things come in my head sometimes, and I like to sit down and talk about them because I don't talk about them to anyone else. Well, I do. I tell Roger all of these things, but sometimes I feel like it needs to reach a bigger audience. And one of those things is to be very aware of the content that you are consuming. The more time passes and the more that technology and like social media evolves, the more content we are consuming. It's a constant like overstimulation. And if you don't understand how it works and you don't understand how this can affect you mentally, it can be a problem. So I want to be the first to tell you, you know, maybe not the first, but I want to tell you that if at any point you feel like my content doesn't serve you, whether it is to make you happy or to provide inspiration or to provide comfort or to provide some kind of value or entertainment, feel free to unsubscribe or unfollow or do whatever you have to do to check yourself, you know? And I feel like that should be talked about more and like encouraged more. I know that it doesn't benefit us to like lose followers or subscribers or whatever, but the amount of mental health issues that are happening nowadays that just keeps growing like exponentially as time passes and as social media evolves is insane. And you have to be very careful with the content that you consume and how much of it you're consuming. Yeah, I'm not saying that it's bad to follow influencers who either look perfect or their lives look perfect or they're always traveling, but I think it's also important to spread awareness on how these things can affect the people consuming this kind of content. It happens to me, okay? And I am a creator, and it happens to me. So I can only imagine how much it can affect somebody who doesn't really understand like the other side of it. Do whatever you have to do to protect yourself. I just see so many like TikTok videos because I've been using TikTok so much, and I just see so many like pretty capable young men and women who just, they're so depressed and they just feel so bad and they're like crying. And my whole For You page at one point was people talking about how sad they are and how tired of life they are. And they're just throwing these words around so frequently and so easily, like if it's nothing. They're very real feelings. I'm not invalidating people's feelings. They have every right to feel however they feel and express themselves, and you know, like it's better to let it out. But it gets me thinking, like, you know, like this is almost like an epidemic and it's only gonna get worse. There's so much responsibility that comes with putting content out, but there's also so much responsibility that comes with consuming content. And if there's more awareness with how to safely consume content and follow creators in a healthy way, I think it's a very good thing to like try to give your 2 cents about it, being a creator and seeing like what's going on. I try to throw in these vlogs between every like video where I'm talking about clothes and like all of these superficial things. Try to throw in my vlogs so that you can see my day-to-day life. You know, I talk about when I'm struggling mentally. I talk about when, you know, if I'm not posting, the reasons why I'm not posting. I talk about all these things even though they get the lowest views. And I do it for a reason. I do it because I treat these things like a diary, so I like to express myself and kind of vent. But I also do it because I think it's so important for people who are consuming my content to know that I am a human. And I have my struggles, and I'm just, I'm just like you. I just decided to pick up a camera. Take my advice as somebody that has been doing this for a long time and who is very observant and just realizes what's happening to society. It really does mess up your idea of beauty, your idea of what life should be, your idea of how much money you should have, your idea of how many designer pieces you should have. Your entire perspective of life is drastically changed when you're constantly comparing it to somebody online. And it's a good thing and a bad thing to have this much exposure, because so many people are waking up to the fact that there's so many opportunities out there and you don't have to do things that you hate doing, and that can make you depressed, you know, if you are doing something that you're not in love with. But you also have to, you know, check yourself. You have to turn all of that into motivation somehow. I know it's hard. If it's not motivating you in a good way, just be careful. Okay, yeah, that's all. Thank you for attending my rant. Always appreciate it. I don't know how long that was. I feel like I've been talking forever, but let's go do happy things, because that was very real for a second, but important. Barely any clouds in the sky, but how much do you want to make a bet that if I do decide to film today, the moment that I turn my camera on, it will start raining and get gloomy? How much would you like to bet? Also, I want to get Dexter a new crate, so if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know. I've heard good things about impact crates and like gunner crates. So I can't even remember the last time that I shopped at Abercrombie, and I saw somebody on TikTok, I can't remember for the life of me who it was, but I saw a video of them trying on these jeans. So these are the 90s straight ultra high rise Curve Love jeans. And I got them in this like light wash color. They're just plain. They don't have like rips or anything. And I mean, they have little minor ribs, so you can't really see it. This is what the back looks like. I'll try them on now, but super comfortable. And the best part is that they actually look like a rigid, like vintage pair of jeans.
I'll have one slip up and I'll gain 5.
Hey guys, I'm here to announce, drum roll, I'll wait for my drum roll. I'm going to attempt, keyword here, attempt to do Vlogmas this year. So this will be the first like Vlogmas week. I will not be uploading every day, but I will be posting a weekly vlog for December. I'm just putting this out into the universe so that I actually do it. But yeah, I can't do. Kudos to everybody who uploads every single day. I know a couple of people who do it and have done it for years. I can't. I'm a one-woman show here. I'm gonna try to be consistent and vlog every single day and upload once a week. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully it all goes well. Today's outfit, I'm wearing a thrifted oversized button down, Everlane tank, Abercrombie jeans, and Lucchese boots, and this bag is by COSS. And please excuse the mess in the background, as always. We're gonna go get a Christmas tree today. We're not gonna decorate it just yet. We're going to just get the tree, leave it in our house, and then we're gonna go to the fair. My nephew's first time at the fair. Fun. Probably not gonna ride any of the rides because don't want to die today, but excited to eat.